Okay, so good morning, everyone. This is unusual repair process that we will have to manage. This is S Pen from the Galaxy Note 10 Pro, I think. This is my wife's phone S Pen, and she dropped that phone on the carpet, and that S Pen just broke into pieces, as you can see. Yeah, so we will have to repair it somehow, but there is broken stuff. So this coil should be connected to that PCB that we can see right here is under glue, yeah, or some kind of epoxy. So we have to connect those two wires onto that PCB. So let's think about that, how to do this. And what I can see, we can use some Dremel to grind that epoxy until the PCB, and we can connect onto those two posts, onto those two tracks right here, those wires. Yeah, so let's do this. Okay. Okay, I can see something. I don't know if you can, but we have those gold contacts, and we'll try to solder wires on these. So at first, I think we have to find the smallest one, soldering tip. I don't see. Oh, actually, we can maybe use this. Okay, right here. Good. So, second step would be to prepare it. I think we can use that super small wire. Good. So we have prepared our wire. Good. Now let's solder those fine wires to to those joints, yeah. And right now, let's put this guy back in. First of all, let's glue this part. Let's just do this like that. Boom. A bit too much. Then let's use some solder mask. Now UV light, and let's leave it for like few minutes. Okay. Okay, now let's just solder those two wires. Okay, so wires are soldered. Now let's remove that access. And I think at this point we have to test it. Okay, so this is the device. And do we have any signs of life? Yeah. As you can see, we can, and there is a dot moving on the screen. Yeah, I think you can. And when I click the button, okay, right now I'm clicking it, yeah? As you can see, opa, opa. So this thing is working. So right now let's put everything back together. And actually, it's not meant to go back in this way, but we will just do this because I'm not gonna try to undo that part at that moment, because we need just that this thing would work, and that's it. And this is very, very hard to put in back. That. Now about that button. Okay, it is in. Okay, so it's still working. Yeah. At last we have to somehow glue it back together. Yeah, again, some super glue will solve every problem. Actually not. Oh well, you can see that it was repaired or it was broken earlier, but it is what it is. And since we need that functionality, we have we have managed to save it here. Not very nice, but what can you do? So this is it. Very short video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.